Hi guys, this is a video to help you get two trend lines on one Excel graph that looks like this and obtain the equations that can be solved for x to get the point of intersection. So the first thing that you do is to type the two sets of data in two different columns. Then you select the two columns with your left mouse button. You go Insert, go to this Charts, and then you insert a scatter plot. Now what we see is only one series of data that will not give us two different trend lines. So what we have to do is to split this data into two different data series. For this, you can select the data either from this quick menu, or you right click here and click select data. Now you see that there is only one set of series. So what we do is we click add and get another series. Let us call this as series 2. Now we have to select x values and y values. To select x values, what we can do is select this part of the data, which is 1, 2, 3, 4th number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we can select these data values for x and then go to y, and 1, 2, 3, 4 for y. Say OK. So now you have the second series, data series. Now we can go ahead and edit the first one. Let us call this as series 1 and select the x values again, because we right now it is all the x values, so we will select the first three data points for this series. Similarly for y, we select first three data points. Say OK, and now we have two sets of data and we can get two different trend lines. So what you do is you select your first data, right click and say add trend line, and that gives you this format trend line menu. You click display equation on the chart and you can forecast it, let's say half a unit. And what it does is that you can see the point of intersection more clearly once these lines cross. The same thing we will do it with the second series. Add trend line, we will display the equation, and let's forecast it half a unit on either direction so that you can see the point of intersection more clearly. Alright, now that we can close this. Now that we have the two series, we can look at the equations. Let's increase the font size, 14, 14. So now you see that you have two equations. You can place them equal to each other, solve for x, and you will get the point of intersection. This point of intersection should match with what you see here. If it does not match, that means you have some calculation error, or probably you missed a negative sign in one of the equations. I hope this helps.